Hey everyone, today we're building a DIY, mid-century modern floating bathroom vanity. This design combines clean lines, natural wood texture, and smart storage to create a stylish and practical bathroom upgrade. Let's start by preparing the materials and cutting the main pieces for the vanity cabinet. I'm using plywood to build the main structure of this floating vanity. First, I cut the two side panels to the same size. Then I cut the bottom panel to connect both sides and create the basic cabinet frame. For the top section, I leave an opening in the middle so the plumbing can easily pass through. During installation, using a straight guide while cutting helps keep every piece accurate and consistent. Before assembling the cabinet, I cover the visible edges of the plywood with edge banding. This gives the exposed plywood layers a cleaner and more finished appearance. After preparing the edges, I connect the side panels, bottom panel, and top support together to create the cabinet box. The back section is left with enough open space for plumbing connections. Once everything is aligned, the main cabinet structure is complete. Now it's time to create the cabinet doors. I start by cutting a door panel that matches the width of the cabinet. To create the modern slatted design, I cut multiple narrow wood strips and arrange them evenly across the front surface. The alternating pattern creates depth and texture while keeping the clean mid-century modern style. Before attaching the strips, I carefully measure the spacing to make sure every piece lines up evenly. I use one of the wood strips as a spacer to keep every gap consistent. Each strip is attached securely to the door panel, creating a strong and seamless surface. After all the slats are installed, I trim the edges and smooth out any uneven areas. The small details during this step make a big difference in the final appearance. After finishing the door panels, I cut them into two sections based on the sink position. This allows the doors to match the plumbing layout while keeping the design balanced. Next, I install the hinges and adjust the door alignment. A proper hinge adjustment helps create clean and even gaps between the doors. The inside of the vanity is designed to maximize storage. I add a center divider to strengthen the cabinet structure and create separate storage areas. One side is designed for daily bathroom supplies, while the other side includes a small drawer for items like hair tools and accessories. This makes the vanity more practical for everyday use. Before applying the finish, I sand the entire vanity surface to create a smooth texture. A natural finish helps highlight the wood grain and gives the cabinet a warm, modern look. Taking time during the finishing process makes the final result look much more refined. Now it's time to install the vanity onto the wall. I carefully mark the mounting locations and secure the cabinet into the wall structure. The plumbing connections pass through the reserved openings, keeping everything clean and organized. After installation, I check the cabinet position, adjust the doors, and make sure everything works properly. And here is the finished floating bathroom vanity. The natural wood texture, modern slatted doors, and smart storage design completely transform this bathroom. This project proves that a simple DIY upgrade can create a high-end look with practical functionality. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more DIY home improvement projects. See you in the next build.